Good.
Done? Hey guys, what's up? Binu here. We're just getting to the second waterfall. And it was a real ripper. That's about it. That's all I have yeah. Zoomed ahead of us. She's our camera woman right now. And yeah, pretty much there. Ow. You're strapped for murdering me. That's okay. It's an awesome hike. And anybody who's looking to come here, do it. You won't regret it. Right, Coop?
That's right.
I mean, get out of the house, leave the kids behind, or bring them, bring the dog, and just, just do it. It's not that hard. And there she blows, everybody. We actually tried to fucking man climb it last time, but then we decided it wasn't the safest thing to do without climbing gear, so we didn't do it. Here we are. Beautiful. Yeah. Awesome. 44 pounds of love. Anyways, thanks, Coop, for recording for me.
No worries.
And here comes Shani. 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 She comes. Woohoo! You made it! Woo! Woohoo! Beautiful. This is a raging waterfall. It wasn't this ragey the last time we made an appearance here, and there was actually more ice. It doesn't look too bad right now. I actually have a bone in my body that wants to try to scale it a little bit. Oh, maybe I don't know. Dukes is going to go for it. Dukes is going for it. You want to record us going up there?
Huh?
You want to record us going up there?
You guys fall and fucking die, though. I'll be pissed off at both of you.
I know. Alright, we're going up! We're going up! That's how we get going.
Jax, come!
We're being recorded, dude. What the fuck are you doing, Jax?
My dog is retarded.
He's a mountain goat! Fuck. What's up, fuck?
Jax will do anything that his mama does. Careful! You two be careful! Jax! Come here, Puppins!
Oh, let's play that game! Let's say we're doing a talk for the mountains!
Jax, come!
Yeah!
The goddamn dog's up there! Okay, I'm gonna turn this off! But how do